Wow, Katie, your hair looks healthy and luscious.
Thank you. It's all thanks to my Simply Earth shampoo and conditioner, plus this moisturizing hair mask.
People spend so much money on hair care. Now you don't have to spend the money and you can make all natural hair care.
Yeah, you don't have to worry about what's in it, plus you're gonna save a bundle.
Let's check it out.
To make this recipe, you're gonna want the Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. From your box, you're gonna wanna find your fabulous, beautifully written recipe card and labels. You'll also want our handy dandy aloe vera, made with amazing ingredients and is super fun to work with. And marjoram essential oil because it smells so good.
And from your big bonus box, you're gonna wanna grab your solid coconut oil, and from your kitchen, cornstarch. Let's get to making it. So we're gonna add a half a tablespoon of coconut oil. And then we're gonna melt this in the microwave on short intervals.
Yeah, you can also do this on a double boiler if you would like. So let's go melt this, and while we're melting it, we're gonna mix our aloe vera and cornstarch together. And we're gonna add a tablespoon of that. We're gonna use this electric whisk to mix this. You can just use a regular whisk as well. There we go. There we go. There we go. Charlotte's gonna pour this aloe vera gel mixture into this coconut oil and it's gonna mix together. All right, so you can see that it is mixy mixed. So we're gonna add 5 drops of marjoram.
Right, and then make sure you stir it so everything's evenly incorporated.
You can apply it to your hair most easily while it's at this consistency. Over time, it's gonna harden. So you'll take this, apply it to the ends of your hair, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse it out. Sometimes with this kind of mask, it can be hard to rinse out. If you feel like that's the case, grab a little bit of apple cider vinegar to rinse your hair out, and voila, luscious, lustrous locks. To make this recipe and more, check out our recipe box at simplyearth.com/box.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe now button for all of the fun recipes coming your way.
You're gonna have a blast when this box gets to your door. It's like Christmas with essential oils.
Thanks for watching.
And we'll use our zippy zoopy whoopoo whoopie. What's that called? What is it?
Just say hand whipper.
Hand whipper?
No.